Here is one of my project I have created for ASL squad. So let's log in. This is the default admin and password. Just log in, and it will be created by default when we run the application. A admin will be created. And that admin can create multiple different LDOs. LDO stand for League Director Organization. A LDO is the one who is going to run the whole tournament. They will have all the access for running a match, assigning player, and all other things. Let me show you on the screen. At first, I'm going to create a director. The LDO name will be, for example, LDO 20. We can upload image for the LDO. The image, when we click on this register button, this image will be saved on Cloudinary. This is our LDO. Since we log in as admin, we can delete that LDO. Let me delete one of the LDO first. Are you sure you want to delete LDO? Yes, I am sure. It is deleted. If you want to create, if you want to update, you can do that if you are logged in as a admin. So let me remove this -u, update it one more time. So let's try once again LDO. There is no -u in here. There is another button beside this edit and delete button. This is the button. When you click on this button, we can operate all the league operation as LDO. We are logged in as this LDO. This is the ID for that particular LDO. We can do all the tasks that this LDO can do. We can do that as admin. Let me log out. I want to log in as LDO, one of our LDO. So let's do it. Here we logged in as LDO 20. These are all events we have created. Since we haven't created one, there is no one is showing except this create new LDO button. So let me click on this new LDO button. Event 1 by director 20. Okay, so let me upload an image for this event. So I'm going to upload this one. So let's do it. We can crop any image we want. Just crop like this and click on OK. This is how we are going to crop. Okay, let's select a date for the event. Let me select it to the present so we can do all the operation. There are multiple division we can select. This is a comma separated list. For example, D4. It will be added another list. We can update it if you want to. And here are number of nets, number of rounds. I'll explain how this number of nets and rounds work and net variance works. And this is for the coach password. Captain of each team can log in and operate the match. Here we are going to set the password for the coach, but using this password, a captain can log in. Here is the description. Here is Flamingo link. This is the link of our another website by which, if you put there, we can see the details of this match in this list. This will be forwarded to the email address of our player of our team. Here is our sponsor list. By default, one sponsor has been added. I can add many more if I want to. Just let me click here. These are another sponsor. Okay, let me add another one. Okay, I have added 3 sponsor. You see list of the 3. Let me submit. Once you have created the event successfully, you will be redirected to the team page. Here we don't have any specific teams. We can create many players and add all those players to a specific team. Otherwise, we can create a team. After all, we can create player and add to that specific team. Here we have 4 division. For example, let's work with this division 4. We can upload CSV file to upload many players and teams previously saved in CSV file in a specific format. Let's upload all of them to division 4. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's looking good. You see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 teams and we may have. Moreover, if you click on the settings button, you'll be able to edit our event. You see update events. If you click on this match, you'll be able to create match. Before creating match, we need to create teams and players. And here is the setting for the account of LDO. We can change any setting we want to, but let's keep it for now. And here in the home page, we can see all those events we have created recently. And we have a button to create a new event. Let's stick with the existing one. Here we have, for example, this team. In this team, I'm going to do some update. You see, a ranking has been assigned to a specific player. We can update the ranking by just drag and drop. You see, this is how we can update the ranking of players. As director, we can do that. Moreover, if I assign a player to captain or co-captain, this co-captain and captain will be able to assign or re-rank players. We have 2 team and 2 captain for both team. Let me create few matches. This division should be 4. If you select division 3, none of those team will be shown. Okay, so you must select the accurate division. Let's go to match. We don't have any match currently, so let's create one. This is the match and this is division we must select. Team A, for team A, we are going to select this one since we have assigned a captain for this team. And let's select this one as well. The opponent of team A will be team B. Number of nets and number of variants, number of rounds. Just keep them in your mind. I'll explain how this works. Okay, we have created a match. If you just click on this enter, it will be open in new tab or this tab, and a player will be able to play this match. Okay, so before that, let me show you the filter I have created. This is the match in the past. If the date is past, then it will be under past. And currently we have one match, therefore it is showing in the current section. Description, we can search by description as well. For example, this is the description, USA. For example, if I just go beyond USA, it will not show any matches. Now we need to log in as a captain. In order to log in as a captain, we need to know the username of a captain. For example, go to edit. Here you can see the username of the captain. Don't worry, we can change the username for captain. Captain himself can change the name for his username. Let me copy this and paste it here in place of. Okay, paste it in a notepad. And I don't need co-captain for now. All the things that a captain can do, co-captain can also do the same. Let me copy the captain name of another team. Captain username. My apologies. Okay. These are the two teams playing against each other. Let me log out. Right click. Let's go to mobile view and take it in the right side of the screen. Let me show you the mobile screen. How does it look like on the mobile phone? And this is my another browser. Using this, we are going to log in as another captain. Let me go to iPhone 12. Okay, let's look better. Copy and paste the username in email address, and the password is spikeball. Okay, it should work. Yes, it is working. You see, there is only one match for that user, for the team of that user. Okay, let me check it past. There is no match has occurred in the past, and this is the opponent. If you select any other opponent, it don't show anything. Okay, let's go to this match and log in with this user. Let me copy the username and paste it here as well. Password is again spikeball. Player or captain himself can change his password. Let me enter this match. You can see the both team. This is the team of this name, Kate Willis. This is the team of Kate Willis, and this is the team of Bar Jamiri. Whoever logs in the window, their player will be at the bottom. This is their rosters and the team names of that team, whoever logged in that window. Okay, and on the other hand, if someone log in as opponent, their team will be on the bottom, and the opponent of the team will be at the top. You see all those players, all the 7 players. We can set image for each players if we want to. A captain, director, or admin can do that. Let me check in. You are checked in. Now the another teams need to be checked in. The first team, this team will be submit their lineup first for the match. And in a match, there will be 3 nets. You see, whenever we are creating the match, there are an option for number of nets. So there are 3 nets in each round. We have 2 rounds. This is the round 1 and this is the round 4. Round 2. We are currently at round 1, and these are all the nets we have on the mobile view. We can change the net by just clicking on here. Okay. Let me submit some player. There are multiple options. For example, anchor, random. If I select random, it will be select random players on each net. For example, this net on, we have selected this player with rank of 5 and this player with rank of 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. This is their player score. You'll see the player at their ranking. And their ranking is 7. And Jeremy, Karin, their ranking is 5. Here it is, okay? We can select it manually. I'll show it. Now we need to submit our lineup. For example, before submitting, there will be an option for cancel or submit. I'm going to submit it. All the nets we have assigned. All the players we have assigned in nets. So let's submit it. Whenever we submit it, it will be updated on this screen, updated in the screen of opponent. They will get live notification. Here in the opponent, they will select their player manually. But here is the catch. We are going to set 2 players on each net. In net 2, we need to select 2 players. In net 1, we need to select 2 players. But we had net variance of 3 when we created the match. So now the opponent player score is 12. Either we can put our player score 9 or 15. Because the player score is 12, either we can add 3 or subtract 3 from the opponent player score. That is net variance. For example, if I want to select 6, and we cannot select 1 and 2 because it will be 2 is selected in previous net, and if I select 1, it will be 8. That is not allowed. Therefore, we need to select 3. It is 10, so we have the score with the net variance of 3 from this 12. Okay. Now let's submit the lineup, and on the other end, we'll get the notification and all the players submitted by the opponent. Okay. For example, let's see for now. This is my team and this is opponent. I'm going to assume that, and now any captain can put the score. So let's see the score for this team is 3 and opponent of this team is 5. You see it is green color because this team has won. They got more points. Net 3, let's put the score for net 1 and 2. Okay, it has updated on the both ends. This is the opponent score, and the another round 1 has been completed successfully. The opponent has got 2 points from this round, and actually my team got 2 points from this round, and the opponent got 1 point. We are 1 point plus and they are 1 point minus. Okay, now we have a button visible that is next round. Now we can click it. Until we submit all of our points, we cannot see this button. So let's click here, and let's click here, waiting for the other squad to place their lineup, and this squad needs to place their lineup first. Okay. Let's submit the lineup. Okay, now this course needs to be submit their lineup as well. It's saying Taylor was subbed previously, he must be selected in this round. Okay, so let's select Taylor. This is Taylor. Let me remove it and select it. Okay, submit it. Okay, now we have option for banning a net. That will be all 2-point nets. So my team will ban this net. That means this net will not be 2-point net. Net on is banned. On the other screen you see net on is banned. Now we're going to ban net 3. Okay. Here we have banned it. So basically net 2 or here you can see net 2 or 2 points and other 2 nets or 0 point because net 2 was not banned. So this is going to happen only on the last round. 2 on 5, 2 3, on 6, on to 8. Okay, we have updated our score. Here it is. Now we can finish the match. Next match. Now we can find another match to complete. This match has been completed and we can see the score. Here in round 1 this team got 2 points and in round 2 this team got 3 points. Okay, so the overall score is 4. This bears Jeremy got 4 and this team got 3 points. This is all about this web application. This has been built with Nest.js and Next.js in the front end. I have used MongoDB as a database and GraphQL for API infrastructure.